At this time, Flake token is offering $10 only for 1 month with minimum 200% profit guarantee. The service will start after the end of 21 days free VIP membership. That means after 22 April 2020, FLKT will give you basically leverage trading signal for one complete month with minimum guarantee of 200% profit on your position. If FLKT team will be failed to deliver 200% profit within 1 month, then your premium service will be extended free of cost until and unless they achieve their own goal. So that is basically the main theme of this token, and at this time they are offering their entire service. Basically they are giving you chance to choose their service, to basically you can say analyze the whole service, and then if you are basically going to satisfy from it, then you can basically enter in it. At this time they are offering only and only $10 for first 10 guys or girls who want the premium signals after that, after you can say 21st of April. So at this time you have the chance to basically enter in that one premium group, and only you have to do the one thing. You just have to message the admin that really I just want to enter in that one premium group. So at this time, if you are going to message the admin directly, then you only and only have to pay $10. So that is such a great thing, and I will already basically show you each and everything regarding the team and their Telegram channel, where you can get all the signals at this time entirely free till basically you have the time for about 21 days. So it is your time to grab it. And for example, if you want it at low price, because the per month price is $30, and if you want that one in $10, so you must have to message the admin right now. I will show you here. You can basically directly message the admin regarding the whole thing, and here you can also see the airdrop form is ongoing at this time. If you want to join their airdrop, you can still join their airdrop at this time. But before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, so you are not going to miss any of our video. And secondly, do me another favor and also follow me on all the social media. So guys, here basically the main thing is this, that what they are giving in their premium signals and everything. First of all, I will basically show you that one. Here you can see each and everything in their Telegram channel. Basically they are giving the signals every day. So at this time, for example, here you can see the trading signal, the trade number 11, the pair is XBT and USD, open long position, leverage 10x, and here you can see they already achieved their target. So basically the thing is this, every day they are giving new every day they are giving the new signals for you to trade, and definitely as they are basically saying, they are going to give you 200% profit guarantee. And if for example if basically the market is not going well, so basically if at this time basically they are also saying one thing more that is entirely a good thing, that if FLKT team will be failed to deliver 200% profit minimum within 1 month, then the premium service will be extended free of cost. It means you don't have to pay for the more time, and they are going to deliver you in that very money which you paid before. So until and unless they basically achieve their goals, they are not going at this time, they are not going to tell you to go. So that is such a great thing. So at this time you must have to basically check their entire service first of all, because with the help of this service you will be able to see each and everything, and you also have the chance to grab the service at low price at $10, because only for the first 10 or the girls or guys, they have the chance. They are basically giving a liberty to all of you that you have the chance. You just have to message the admin directly, and then at this time you just have to pay only $10, and after 21 days, the 22nd day when basically the premium service will start, then you don't have to pay $30, you only have to pay $10 at this time. So you will get the profit, and also you will get the discount and bonus. So it is such a great thing. You must have to read each and everything regarding this platform, and also you have to contact the admin and before basically entering in anything, you must have to read each and everything, and you have to check the premium services at this time which they are basically offering entirely free for you. So you must have to check each and everything and then enter into it. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.